Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I don't know if I should be doing this video or not. I guess I'm going to have to hold it until she opens her package because this is goodie mail, happy mail, um, uh, that I'm sending out to Emma. So I'll put her link down below. She's a wonderful, loving lady. And so this is happy mail. So I've been working on so many different projects. She's got like 4 different things that I've been working on. So some of them you might have seen. So let's get started. Some of it's matchy-matchy. So you know that I made a box and a album to hold lace. So let me show you. The tutorials are all up and I'll put the links down below. It all started because of this stick pin that I found, and so then I had to make lace holder books, and look at that little stick pin, and there's matchy gifts to go with those, and there's another stick pin. So there's one little thing I gave her. I think there's like over 30 yards, maybe 40, I think 45 yards of lace in here. And this is vintage from my mom, and this is vintage, and I think these two are Hobby Lobby. So let me put that aside and I'll package it up really nice. So I made this box. It has feet on it. I did not put it here because I didn't know if she's going to put something on it or have it like that. But I thought if I knew, you could always put lace or a doily on it and really decorate it up. But I didn't know what she wanted to do with it, so I didn't want to mess that up. So here's the box, and right here's a tuck spot where I'll put a little note. This is a little dryer sheet. Everything always smells so good, so maybe that'll go there. So inside the box is, this is what it looks like. There's a dryer sheet, so it smells good. This goes with those stick pins. And then of course it's a sewing, so this little needle thing, this says this is a tape runner sticky, and then this one is just a little house. It's like washi tape, but it's thread material. So let's stick that in there. And then you saw me make this banner, and it's got a brooch on it. She can take that on and off. She could actually wear it. So that's going to be in there, a little banner, and I'll add tissue paper and everything and put that in there, and it closes up, and we'll tie that up. And let's see, in my stash, because I made a piano, I thought, well, I bought a lot of these from Saul Crafters, and she can find the video how to put it together under Saul Crafters videos, or I can link it for her, or I can even FaceTime with her. That would be really fun. So this is going for her in my out of my stash, and this right here matches. It is a tattered little gift bag, canvas bag, and it's got Easter goodies in it for her. And look at these 2 little bunny ring pops. So I stuck that in there for her. And it matches the banner. And let's see what I pulled out of my stash. To make your own 6 cards, and you can paint them, or instead of use paint, she can use markers or pencils. So I thought that she would like that. So I'm sending that. And think happy thoughts. I saw this at Dollar General, so I thought of her, so I got that for her. But you know what? She could cover this with paper and decorate it the way she wants and just stick the paper up underneath this metal piece. She could probably decorate it prettier. I know she can. So it's hers. She gets to. And then all these are filled with goodies. So I don't even remember. But I just know I want to put it in the mail So, okay, this was hard to get in and out. It is Velcro. So I thought everyone could use some Velcro. So that's in one of the bags. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh, there's so many little goodies in this bag. I'm going to show you that last because, oh my God, some of this stuff is so cute. Look, little rose flowers, organza flowers fit in this little bag. Oh, this matches the stick pins. So it's a measuring tape. It's a magnet. It says oh so SEW like you sew happy, and it is thimbles that go on your thumb writing pencil. And this is a bookmark, magnet bookmark, where you hold the page or hold it together. So that's what's in there. That all matches what was in the box. So let's put that in there. Let's see. These are a whole bunch of tags, butterflies and happy birthday that she wants to use for someone, and then it's special day and celebrate. Those are just some tags I found to put in there. Let's see, what is this? These bags, I got 18 of them for $1 at Daiso, $1.50. These are 6-inch heart doilies, but it says that you can make a tussy mussy with it. So I'm going to have to pull some out and see if I can make that. So maybe she will. Or just have a heart doily. Let's see. This says hello and thanks. It's just some stamps that I had. It fit in that bag perfectly. And what is this? Well, it's a sewing idea. So I had to add, and I had to cut the cardboard down, but I had to add sewing needles and different things for her. So, but this right here, guys, let me show you the cuteness of some of these. It is just too cute. Of course, there's little odds and ends of, what are those? You know what they're called. But look at these. Are they not the cutest out of my stash? And then I've got little roses, and then I have resin little pink roses out of my stash. But I want to show you this. So I have the teapot. It's the pink teapot. And then it has the cups to go with it. 2 cups. And then the coffee pot. Is that not the cutest little thing? Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Okay. Then, you haven't seen the best. There's 2 little donut. They're all Brad's little donuts. Then there's little scissors. See the theme? I'm trying to keep a theme. Scissors. And then there's little Brad hangers. Then there's little sewing bobs, threads. But this is the cutest. Look at these Brad shoes and purses to match. Oh my gosh. That would look so cute on a project. Is that not the cutest little shoes? Oh my Lord. So, yeah. So this is what's going in her goodie bag. So hopefully she likes it. It's taken me a while. She's so sweet. I love every project she makes. And once a month I'm doing a swap. Well, it's not really a swap. Well, she did send me something, so I'm sending her something back. But she keeps sending me stuff, and so I'm way behind on it. But once a month I'm sending out goodies to someone that has given me inspiration and that has commented and that just shows me love. And so I've already got 3 more that I'm working on, and there's a lady that I don't even know her, but she comments on all my videos and just makes me feel good, and she's gracious. So she'll be the 5th, and I'm looking for 6 and 7 and 8, and I just want to, once a month, I just want to send out something to show my appreciation and my love, and I'm blessed, and I want to bless someone else with some little goodies. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So hopefully this will make her happy, and she'll want to see what I mean to see. Hopefully she'll enjoy what I've made her. So I hope she likes it. I'm kind of worried. You never know how people like your stuff or not. So I'm hoping that she is inspired and likes it, and yeah, so maybe you'll be next. Maybe we need to chit chat and say, hey, let's do a swap. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. You never know when I'm going to make a video, so hit that bell. Have a blessed day.